ensure you complete practical classes from scratch from the basics of Azure. We'll start our practice today in another 10 to 15 minutes. My classes are for the participants who can respond to my questions, be interactive and encouraging the next activities in a live environment, interactive mode. Need your support, please. Let's get started. Let's assume we're all very new to Azure data engineering. We're all very new. Let's get started slowly, step by step. What is data engineering? Let's go there slowly. Agenda for today's class, first 10 minutes agenda. Then we'll go for doubts clarifications. Then proceed for technical activity next. First 10 minutes agenda. What is database? And what is engineering? And who can become a data engineer? And what exactly is your data engineering means? What are the components involved and why you choose me if you are looking for practical interactive classes step by step with complete hands-on project work and solution. What is database? A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data fully secured. Two types of databases, OLTP, data warehouse. OLTP, online transaction processing database to store live real-time data like live temperature, live stock market, anything live, OLTP. Other one, data warehouse to store old historical data like old temperature data, old stock market data, anything old, data warehouse. As a data engineer, we are involved in data warehouse. This is our actual job role, data warehouse. So OLTP will be the source for few, not all, few concepts in our classes. As a data engineer from tomorrow, will be involved in design of warehouse, implementation of data extraction and transformations, cloud storage, security and optimizations. This data engineering process involves ETL, storage, analytics, cloud computing, real-time data, and more. Okay, now how to implement it? Yes, there we are. From today, we are going to configure an Azure account, set up a platform for us to travel towards our next level activities, big data, warehouse, and so on, cloud computing, big data analytics activities, etc. To make it more clear, as a data engineer, we are involved in reading data from various sources, OLTP, and non-database sources, file data sources, implement extraction, transformation, and loading activities, ETL, to a warehouse. From warehouse comes analytics, reporting, mining, etc. So this black box is our actual course, ETL data warehouse. Now, who can enjoy this? Yes, everyone. Starters to experienced professionals. I have examples and scenarios ready for you. Make sure we have on-time practice. This is bit vast. Data engineering is bit vast, not too much, not like programming, not like coding, not like data science, but bit vast. We need to involve in various types of data, build warehouse using ETL, implement big data using cloud, perform data streaming and analytics. We'll have complete 100% practical classes on Azure SQL, Azure ETL, Data Factory, Synapse, Databricks, Data Lake, IoT, Event Hubs, Key Vaults, and Stream Analytics. These are all our menu items to prepare our recipes next classes slowly. We need to work with something called insights, alerts, logic apps, functions, purview, notebooks, pipelines, Git configurations, integrations, and project work. All those 20 items are broadly categorized into 3 different modules. In our classes, we have Data Factory, Databricks, Synapse, and Data Lake. These are the primary components. For what? To implement ETL. Here it is. Data Factory is used to implement ETL, extract, transform, load, extract data from various sources, do all kinds of transformations, and load to warehouse. Databricks also for the same purpose, ETL, and they do data warehousing as well. Synapse, ETL to data warehouse and big data operations. Data lake, big data, and analytic activities. So we need to learn all these items carefully, step by step, with helping hands, Spark, Python, ETL. We are not into programming. We are not into Python programming. We are into Python from ETL perspective. PySpark, Scala, and CI/CD. Continuous integration, continuous deployment activities. CI/CD concept. And with AI, AI comes everywhere in our classes. We have AI components with Spark, Python, PySpark, etc. No additional prerequisites except MS SQL basics, so that we can have more hands-on in our classes from tomorrow, please. I'll take care of the complete notes and scenarios, end-to-end project work. If your interviewer asks you like what you did in the project, what are the challenges you face in the project, and so on, I'll take care of the things. But make sure we do on-time practice. With this content, let's go for questions now. Let's go for clarifications and then slowly step into our practice items. One more thing. Request you to have your own Azure account. I'll show you the steps today. You need to have your own Azure account configured for practice. Free account works but valid for 1 month. After 1 month, you may need to convert it into paid account or go for a new credit card or new debit card with a new account. Let's try more on practice part. So you need to have an Azure account to get started for our classes from tomorrow. Next, notes, assignments, FAQs, answers, project, I will take care. Project solution, project FAQs, I will take care. Please let me know. Can you practice minimum 1 hour every day, please, for me from today? Minimum 1 hour, please. Can you do it for me, please, today? From today,
Yes.
please. Sure, Anand. Others, please. Minimum 1 hour, please. I'll wait.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Sure, Kishore. Sure. Thank you, Anand and Kishore. I'm sending an email to you now. Please go through it carefully. We'll slowly start our session. Let's step into the configurations now. Any questions, please let me know before we proceed, please. Any questions, please? I'll wait. Fine.
Hi, sir.
Let's
I'm
continue.
audible.
Yeah, I can hear you. Let's continue.
My
So
name.
what we learned so far? We learned what is engineering. To make it more clear, these are the data engineering components we need to learn. We need to step into storage components first, ETL components, data warehouse components, and few additional components. Okay, and notes and all I'll take care. Make sure you have SQL Server 2019 or higher operating systems. Higher SQLs are with you. Windows OS. This SQL Server is required for 3 examples in our entire course. If you are using MacBook, in such a case, you need to connect over online SQL server there remotely. If you are having Windows operating system, please try to install this SQL Server yourself from this particular website link and revise MS SQL concepts by this weekend. Constraints, joins, group by, enough. Request you to have a credit card or a debit card from your end to activate your free trial. How do we do that? Let's see. The next item today, stepping into Azure. Please go through these items carefully. Any questions, let me know before we proceed. I'll wait. Please go through it carefully, please. I'll wait. Okay. Any more questions, please? Please, mic with everyone. Let me know, please, any questions. I'll wait. Fine, friends. Let's continue. Next. I have sent one email that includes total 3 documents. The course curriculum, this particular notes, and one configuration notes also. Kindly check.
Sir, I didn't get any mail, sir.
Dinesh,
Sir, I
how
am
many
not
are
getting any mail.
already sent? Anand, just now sent, sir. Just now sent. I'll wait.
No, few minutes
Dinesh, how
back
many
you
hours
sent, right?
practice
You
today,
told
sir?
that is also I'm not getting.
Which one? Only one
No,
mail.
few minutes back you told, right? You sent something.
Actually, yeah, it was had to be sent. Just now sent, actually. Just now sent from my outbox. Okay.
Okay.
Only one mail sent. Okay. Anand, only one mail sent. Please check it, sir. I'll wait. Only one mail sent today. Please check it. I'll wait.
I didn't receive, sir.
Oh, 1 minute, sir. Might be on the way. I'll wait for some time. I'll wait, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, I have received it.
Fine, Kishore. Fine, fine. Others, please check it. Dinesh, already sent Dinesh. Please check it, Dinesh. Please do it. Dinesh already sent, sir. Please check it again, Dinesh. Please check it. I'll wait.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
refreshing, but I'm still not getting.
Might be on the way, sir. I'll wait for some time. Better I'll
Okay.
resend it again. Okay. I'll resend it again. Same. I'll do. Please wait. Fine. Let's continue. So where we are now, we are understanding slowly what we learn in our data engineering, the components involved. Now let's step into our lab configuration. Because from tomorrow, we need to slowly start our practice. Please make sure we configure the account. Let's see. Cloud, a virtual environment to host any data or applications. We need to play with data from tomorrow and applications by early next week. Easy, secure, faster access to web URLs and tools. Benefits of cloud: faster, secure data storage, easier data access, low maintenance, big data support, and faster ETL. Now, what is Azure? A cloud platform from Microsoft to host, secure, manage, and access various applications and data. In our classes from tomorrow, we need to work with something called virtual networks, virtual machines, availability groups, clusters, etc. Very easily we can do all these items. Azure is cheaper compared to other cloud platforms for engineering. Highly secured, easy integration, and suits Windows and non-Windows platforms. There are three important types of cloud computing. We have SaaS, software as a service, PaaS, platform as a service, IaaS, infrastructure as a service. Okay, there are total three items. SaaS, software as a service, 100% cloud. Cloud maintains the components. Microsoft Entra, Azure Monitor, Azure Insights, all these items we are going to learn next. Those are from SaaS. PaaS, platform as a service, 80% cloud. Cloud maintains majority components. Azure SQL Server, Azure Synapse, etc. They are from PaaS environment. We have IaaS environment, Spark clusters, virtual machines, Unity catalogs, etc. 50% cloud. Cloud will manage. Remaining 50% we manage. So in our classes from tomorrow, we need to step into all three areas of cloud: SaaS, PaaS, IaaS. Simple concept. Assume we go to a restaurant to celebrate our course 2 months down the line. 2 months down the line, we happen to visit a restaurant. The ambience is SaaS. Restaurant owner will take care of it. We don't pay anything extra for it separately. PaaS. The food being served is a PaaS onto your table. We need to simply add the required salt or pepper or garnish it as per the requirement or as per the needs of the Insta or whatever, and then enjoy the dish. That is PaaS. IaaS, this is like a Subway or an American breakfast. Over the counter, you got few items. We walk in there and we get the things required, like a 6-inch multigrain sub. Put some veggies into it. Everything ready, right? We simply need to make up our dish. That is IaaS. So everything ready, network is ready, virtual machines are ready. We need to set up whatever we need, that is EOS. As a data engineer, we need to have full control on these items. Let's get started now. How to configure Azure? I repeat again, we are slowly understanding what is Azure, why Azure, and types of cloud computing. Now let's see how to implement Azure. To implement Azure, we have a two-step process. Go to portal.azure.com, this one. First time visit, sign up. Sign up to the Azure account. Once you sign up, it says no account, create one. You get a confirmation mail. You click on the confirmation link. Then we get on free subscription automatically once you do these operations. First, let me show you this one, how to get the Azure account. Go to this website. Go to portal.azure.com. Please do this before tomorrow's class. Okay, this is a first look. I signed in. Very first visit portal.azure.com. It says no account, create one. Give some email address. Next, you get a confirmation message, confirmation mail. You click on the confirmation mail. Then you get into an Azure account like this. What next? Let's see. Once you get the Azure account ready, see there is something called subscription. Okay, click on subscription. Add subscription. See home, subscription, add. Add subscription. It will ask you to create a free account. Okay, you'll see one option here. Let's wait for a few moments. Go to portal.azure.com. Add free trial. If you are eligible, if your email address is eligible for free account, you will see the offer here. If not, I request you to try with a different email address, which is unique, not known to Azure. Once you select the offer, it will ask you for card details, mobile number. Provide the details and you get one subscription created. I repeat, portal.azure.com. Then subscription, new subscription, select offer. To test the subscription, to test whether subscription is correctly created or not, go home, create resource. See here, create resource. Firstly, Azure account, then subscription, finally test subscription. create resource, there is something called storage account, the first resource in our list. In our example list, I was giving you the list of all items. Here it is. Used to store files, tables, etc. What is that? I repeat again, storage account. This green box is there, right? Click. Create. Okay. Home. Create resource. Storage account. Subscription should be your free trial subscription. Resource group name. It can be any resource group. I will say Azure storage test. Any resource group is okay, no problem. Storage account name, create. Any resource group name, any storage account name, create. Here, the storage account means the item. The item we buy from Azure is called a resource. Multiple items can be grouped into resource group. Easy management. Please by heart the new terminology. Storage account is a resource. Another one, resource group. To group multiple resources, there's something called resource group. Give resource group name and click review plus create, create. Make sure the storage account is deployed successfully. Then your subscription is valid, active. We are ready for tomorrow's class. I repeat, portal, then Azure, first portal, then subscription, then Azure account. Portal, subscription, Azure account. With this, we'll stop for now. Tomorrow, we need to slowly step into day-to-day operations, ETL, warehousing, etc. One by one, we'll do. We'll stop for now. Any questions, please let me know. I'll wait. I'll wait for some time, please. Any questions, let me know. I'll wait.